Hello, how you doing? Have you heard the term context rot and you're not quite sure you know exactly what this is? Well, if so, then watch along with me for the next few minutes and I will quickly get you up to speed. Okay, let's get started. So what is LLM context rot? Well, LLM context rot refers to the gradual degradation of context understanding in large language models as they process longer sequences of text. This occurs because LLMs have a limited context window, meaning they can only consider a fixed number of tokens at a time. In simple terms, LLM context rot is when a language model starts losing track of the conversation or topic over time. So why should you care about context rot? Well, context rot can lead to reduced coherence in the generated text, making it difficult for your users to follow or understand. It can also decrease relevance of the output to the initial query or topic, reducing the utility of the LLM. Simply put, if a language model can't keep up with a conversation, users might get frustrated and lose interest. What causes context rot? Well, attention drift occurs when LLMs lose focus on earlier parts of the text due to their limited context window. This can introduce inaccuracies as the model builds on previous potentially flawed outputs. To put it simply, context rot happens because the model can't remember everything and sometimes gets confused. So how can you mitigate context rot? Well, context engineering involves techniques like summarizing previous interactions or using external memory systems to refresh context. In layman's terms, we can help the LLM stay on track by managing context and only including relevant information in the prompt. So are the LLM providers working to reduce context rot? Well, ongoing research aims to develop more advanced models and techniques to tackle context rot effectively. Hybrid systems combine LLMs with other AI systems or human oversight to maintain context and coherence. In essence, they're working on smarter models and systems to keep the conversations relevant and coherent. So why is understanding context rot important? Well, for you, the system builder, understanding context rot is crucial for improving AI and LLM-driven systems, ensuring they deliver coherent and relevant outputs. In short, knowing about context rot helps us build better AI systems that communicate more effectively with our users. I have a video on context engineering. As I mentioned earlier, these techniques can help you minimize context rot in your systems. Feel free to check this video out if you want to go deeper into this topic. Okay, let me know what you think of context rot. Do you think you've seen this problem in any of your LLM-driven systems? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear what you think about this topic. Okay, thanks for watching.